Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Uphold to US bank account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Uphold to your US bank account, first, log in to your Uphold account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on your dashboard. Select the asset you wish to withdraw. Click on the withdraw button next to your chosen asset. In the withdrawal interface, select bank account as your withdrawal option. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account to begin the process. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. After adding your bank account, return to the withdrawal interface. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw to from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Withdrawals typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Be sure to check your email for updates regarding your transaction status. You can monitor your withdrawal progress in the Activity section of your account. Once the funds are successfully transferred, they will appear in your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.